atrophy gets more severe, dentists nowadays must incorporate new techniques into their portfolio. And some of them were discussed today. Some of them were these extra-maxillary techniques. Those are the solution for this kind of cases. My name is Pedro Moura. I come from Porto, Portugal. I'm an implantologist, and I'm here to deliver a lecture on the solutions for the atrophic maxilla. We're seeing more and more edentulous people, and we're seeing also a lot of advancements on the digital world that is giving us new tools for us to tackle those very, very demanding cases. My lecture was about specifically Transinus Implants, Pterygoid Implants, and Palatally Approached Implants, which are three very simple techniques that really can help you overcome the difficulties that a clinician faces whenever dealing with these kind of cases. All next protocols are recommended whenever we have such cases where we have atrophy, we have edentulism, and it's not really possible to reconstruct. It's not really possible to deliver an FP1 prosthesis. So in those cases, all on X, all on 4 protocols are really the go-to techniques. Well, as atrophy gets more severe, dentists nowadays must incorporate new techniques into their portfolio. And some of them were discussed today. Some of them were these extra-maxillary techniques. And those are the solution for this kind of cases. Yeah, I mean, Transinus Implants, Palatal Implants, Pterygoid Implants, Transnasal Implants, Zygomatic Implants, even custom-made implants. All of these techniques are, something that we should keep under our belt if you really want to be successful on the nowadays all on arch procedures. If all you have is a hammer, everything is a nail. That's my take-home message, man. Very well organized Congress. Very sunny day. So I'm sure you didn't organize that, but it's not my first time in this facility. It's a very modern, very convenient facility. So yeah, I really enjoy this organization. Continuous education is the key for one to be continuously challenged. I'm going to say that it's pretty high and all that, although I'm just here for the length of my lecture, basically. So the level is quite high. So we see that the industry is heavily present in this Congress as well. So overall, it's a very, very interesting and rewarding experience to be here.